distinguished guests, dear colleagues, and especially the inspiring women gathered here today. And I can say that it's a nice room with mostly women. These views are not very often, especially in my area. So thank you for organizing this topic, since this is the one of my favorites. And I have to say, we're living in a defining moment. The global energy transition is reshaping economies, industries, and societies. And here in the Western Balkans, we are not just following that change, we are helping to lead it. Macedonia is very proud to be part of this transformation, investing in renewable energy, strengthening the regional cooperation, and ensuring that our transition is sustainable and just. However, for this transformation to truly succeed, it also has to be inclusive, because progress that leaves women behind, it's not a real progress. For too long, the energy sector, from engineering to leadership, has been viewed as a man's world. We are proving every day that this is no longer the case. When women lead, energy becomes smarter, fairer, and more human. And that data supports the truth. The International Renewable Energy Agency found that the organizations with more women in leadership positions in energy show up 20% higher performance and innovation. The World Economic Forum reports that gender-diverse teams are more profitable, more creative, and more resilient in times of crisis. When women are empowered, the entire sector and society benefits. As a woman in energy leadership, I know the path has not always been easy. Many of us had to fight for our seat at the table, to prove that competence has no gender. But each barrier we break makes it easier for another woman to rise. So let me tell you one personal story. In 2008, I got my first managerial position. I was traveling on a business trip to one of the Balkan countries, and the CEO of the energy company didn't want to have a meeting because I was a female, and that happened in 2 countries out of the Balkan. However, after some months, this changed and they had to meet and sit on the table with me. So this is why, as a minister, I have made it my mission to empower women in energy. I organize events and mentorship programs dedicated to female students from our universities to show them that their future can be here, in energy, technology, and leadership. I work closely with women from the mining and industrial sectors whose hard work and professionalism often go unseen, yet they are essential to our success. So when I came to this position, I made one promise to myself, that I would do everything in my power to change the perception that energy is a man's world. It is not. It is our world, a world that belongs equally to women and men who have knowledge, vision, and drive. Today, I'm very proud to say that the ministry is among the most gender-balanced institutions in our country. We have more women than men employed, and many of our key departments are led by strong and capable women. These women are proof that competence has no gender. I'm deeply proud to serve as the ambassador of WOBA, Women on Board Adria, a regional network that connects and supports women leaders across the Adriatic region. Through WOBA, I work to open doors for women to join decisions-making boards, to strengthen their leadership roles, and to ensure that women's voices are not just heard, but also valued. I believe that women deserve more opportunities, more recognition, and more leadership. But I also believe that we must fight for it. Equality is not a favor. It is a right. It is something we must demand, defeat, and build together. And feminism, in its truest form, it's not about competing with the men. It is about standing beside them as equals, ensuring that every woman has the freedom to dream, to lead, and to succeed on her own terms. So to every young woman listening today, do not wait for permissions to lead. Take your place. Do not silence your ideas. Speak them boldly. Do not doubt your strength. You are more powerful than you think. And to the men in this room, we need you too. True progress happens when men and women stand side by side as partners and allies, working for the same vision of equality and progress. Let us remember the words of Margaret Thatcher. If you want something said, ask a man. If you want something done, ask a woman. Let us be the women who get things done, who lead, who inspire, who innovate, and who power the transformation of our energy future. Because when women rise, societies rise. When women lead, nations move forward. And when women take their rightful place in energy, the lights shine brighter for everyone. Thank you. Благодарам.